putting more scrap in my truck if you want to watch. Again, I got the light for you. You can see. Oh, God, I'm cold. All it is cease and desist. Defamation of character. So I'm leaving the door open right now so you can see. It says Scrap Mary. I'm in my van. Makes me feel better. I don't mind doing it. God dang it, I'm cold. Oh, man. I'm freezing my ass off. Okay. Yeah. Okay. My legs are too swollen to do anymore. I'm not doing anymore right now. Just put the box of copper in. Oh, my feet are killing me. Ow. Ouch. Ow. Ah, shit, I forgot that metal. Oh. God, my feet are hurting. Oh, it's cold, cold, cold. This garden's looking better. It is definitely looking better. Nice. Kitty, I'm back. I just put the metal in. Oh, I can't do that one. I'm too tired to take that one apart. Oh my God, my feet are killing me. And my private areas.